Do you have an important goal or a persistent problem that you can't quite seem to figure out on your own? Your conscious mind has done all that it can do, and it's been trying for weeks, months, maybe even years to get to that goal or to resolve that problem. And this is a clue that your conscious mind has done all that it can do, and it's not able to solve that problem for you, because the conscious mind is limited to working with 7 things, to hold 7 things in its conscious awareness, plus or minus 2, 5 to 9 things that it can use at one time to solve that problem. And so sometimes it does solve problems for you quickly, with the capacity that it has, and then you move on and it's not a problem anymore. Or you reach that goal and you do whatever it is that you need to do. But there's some problems, some goals that are more complex. They're like a Rubik's Cube. And the conscious mind has 7 things on a piece of paper. And that piece of paper doesn't have the solution to a problem or a goal that's complex, that is multi-sided, multifaceted. Your conscious mind also has a hidden agenda. It actually wants to keep you safe. There's a part of that mind that just wants to keep you safe. And the safest thing is in the familiar, doing what you've always done. Because uncertainty, your goal, your problem being solved is uncertain. Even though it's probably quite positive, that uncertainty is seen as a negative to that part of your mind. So there's a hidden agenda for that part of your mind to keep you safe in the familiar. And what that feels like is being stuck. And it might be frustrating. There might be fear there to keep you stuck, to keep you where you are, and maybe a bunch of different emotions. And that feeling of stuckness, those emotions are all signs that this is a problem that needs to be solved with your subconscious mind. Because your subconscious mind is like that nerdy kid that can solve Rubik's Cubes behind their back. A multifaceted Rubik's Cube with a lot of different moving parts. And this is how the subconscious mind works. It's like when you're driving. You don't know how to drive. So you get into the car and there's 100 things that you have to think about to get to your destination. And you have to go through each one of those things like a checklist with your conscious mind. And sometimes you forget to turn on your signal. Sometimes you blow right through stop signs. But you get there. And then all of a sudden, one day, driving becomes subconscious. You don't have to think about it consciously. And so you get in the car and you just go into autopilot. And then you can listen to music, talk on the phone, and drink a coffee all at the same time. And then if you're driving along a familiar route, like you're going home from work, the main thing, which is driving, has gone underground into your subconscious. So you're not even thinking about it. And that main thing gets you to where you need to go. And you don't even have to think about it. It just gets you there effortlessly and easily. You just have to point it in the right direction. And so it's the same thing when you connect with this subconscious GPS through hypnosis. You reprogram that subconscious GPS with your destination, whether it's achieving a goal or solving a problem, and you point yourself in the right direction. And in hypnosis, we'll connect you with your subconscious mind in a deep, resourceful state. And then you'll learn how to drive to wherever you need to go while you're there. And you'll get all the resources that you need, the confidence, the resilience, the motivation, everything that you need to get to your destination. And then when you come out of that trance and you go back to your life, there's something that will drive you to your goal to resolve those problems, because that main thing has gone underground and it's in your subconscious mind, and in the same way will get you effortlessly and easily to wherever it is that you want to be.